Hello friends, I am Rashmi Patel. Today we learn class 9 subject Sanskrit. Today we learn third lesson Param Nidhanam. Param Nidhanam means great treasure. Param, great. Nidhanam, treasure. Great treasure. First we read the first paragraph. भोजः नाम न्युपति विद्याप्रिय कलाप्रिय प्रजाप्रिय च आसीत्. भोजः the noun, the name of king. Nupati, king. Vidyapriya, lover of learning. Kalapriya, lover of arts. And Prajapriya means devoted to his his kingdom. A king named Bhoj was the lover of learning, lover of arts, and devoted to fond of subject of kingdom. A king named Bhoj was the lover of learning, lover of arts, and the devoted to subject. So तस्य राज्यसभायां दूरदेशात् अनेक विद्यावीरासादा पंडिताः समागच्छति स्म. राज्यसभायां assembly. दूरदेशात् far off countries. दूरदेशात् means far off countries. अनेके many. Vidyavirasada means scholars, expert in laws. Samagachati means come. So many scholars, expert in laws used to come to his royal assembly. Rajya Sabhayam means assembly, Rajya means royal assembly from far off countries. So many scholars, aneke, okay, many scholars. Vidyavirasada, pandit means scholar, okay. So I explain whole passage in English. So, a king named Bhoj was the lover of learning, lover of arts, and fond of subject. So many scholars and experts in laws used to come to his royal assembly from far off countries. एकदा भोजः प्रासादस्य गवाक्षे उपविष्टः आसीत्. गवाक्षे means balcony. Okay. Upasvishta means seat. Ekda means once. Bhoj was seat in balcony. Prasadesya means the palace. Okay. So Bhoj was seat in balcony of the palace. Sah marge ekam navagantukam Anabhignam yuvaka paschati. Anabhignam means unknown person. Yuvaka, young man. Marge means street, lilo ya road, way. She sees a newly arrived. Navagutam. Gautam means arrived. She sees a newly arrived. Unbigno means unknown young man in the street. Tasya parichayam gnatum sah tam prasade ahayati. Tasya parichayam. Okay. To prasade ahayati means calls. he calls him. King Bose called the young man to know who he is. तटस्थयो मध्ये एव वार्तालाप सज्जात. तटस्थयो then between मध्ये वार्तालाप conversation सज्जात place took place. Then between them the conversation took place in this way. Satayo in this way. Bojah Bhavana ka vartate. The Bose said, who are you? Bhavana ka vartate, who are you? Yuvakas aham ghat panditam asmi. A young man said, aham, I, ghat panditam, means scholar, ghat pandit, जो ज्ञान से भरा हुआ हो, गट पंडित, फुल ऑफ नॉलेज. तो आई एम अ गट पंडित. भोज घट पंडित किम नाम गट पंडित इति. भोज से घट पंडित व्हाट इंडीड डज गट पंडित मीन्स. युवकः यथा घटे परिपूर्ण जल तिष्ठति तथैव मयि परिपूर्ण ज्ञानं वर्तते. अतः अहम स्वात्मानं घटपंडितं मन्यते. यथा घट परिपूर्ण, just as there is water, जल परिपूर्ण, full of in the brim, in pot. जैसे मटका हो जिसमें पानी पूरा भरा हो वैसे. मयि परिपूर्ण ज्ञानम वर्तते. In this way, in the same way, there is full knowledge in me. In this way, in the same way, there is full knowledge in me. Atah, so aham, I, manyate, consider, swatmane, myself. So I consider myself to be Ghat Pandita. Bojah says, युवकस्य गर्वपूर्णां युक्ति श्रुत्वा स्वात्मानं तटोक्त्यकं गत्वा मत्वा अहं अहकारेण सह यदि त्वं घट अस्मि तर्हि अहं मुदगरत्वं वर्तते. मुदगरः स्वकीयेन प्रहारेण घटं विनाशयति. अहमपि घटरूप भवन्तं विनाशयामि. युवकस्य बोध से युवकस्य गर्वपूर्णां युक्ति श्रुत्वा मीन्स listen to the proud speech, गर्वपूर्ण proud speech of the young man. Listen to the proud speech of young man and tatodactic means thought, means a thing, and think himself to be better than him proudly. Underground. So listen to the proud speech of the young man and think himself to be better than him proudly. Yadi, if to a ghata asmi, you are a pot. तो अहम मुदगर वर्तते. तो आई एम hammer. Okay? So if you are pot, I am a hammer. मुदगरं स्वकीय प्रहारेण विनाशयति. Destroy, विनाशयति means destroy. The hammer break the pot by his stroke. Destroy the pot by his stroke. प्रहारेण stroke. अहमपि घटरूपं भवन्तं विनाशयामि. I will also destroy you like a pot. युवकः यदि भवान् मुदगरत्वा वर्तिष्यते तर्हिम् अहम् अग्नि भवामि. दहनकर्म अग्नि भूत्वा मुदगरं भस्म करिष्यामि. A young man said, if you are a hammer, Muragaram, if you are a hammer, aham agnim, fire, I will become fire. If you are like a hammer, I will become a fire. Becoming, agnim dahan karma agni, prutva madagam, brashma karisham, bhashma, destroy, as, okay, bhashma means as. So I will reduce to hammer to as, becoming fire. Becoming fire, which does the work of burning, which of the work of burning, I will reduce the hammer to as. Bojah, tam yadi vahante vartisate, tahi aham vrushti bhavishyami. Vrushti purata Ragni sthatum na sakyoti ta tatha tvamapi mama puratah sthatum na shaknosi. If you are become fire, agnim, if you become fire, I shall become rain. I will become rain. If you become fire, I will become rain. The fire cannot stand before sthatum, stand. The fire cannot stand before the rainfall, vrustit purata, fall. Similarly, tatha, you cannot stand in front of me. You cannot mama, me. Sthatum, stand. Na means negative sentence. Saknos, you cannot. Saknos means can. You cannot stand in front of me. If you become fire, I will become rain. I will become rain. The fire cannot stand before. Fire cannot stand before rainfall. Similarly, you cannot stand in front of me. Yuvakah says, vrushti tu vayu swabalena yatra kutrapi vahayatu mahati vrushti rupam bhavatam vayu bhrutva itah tatah vahishyami. Young man says, but wind is able to blow rain anywhere with its own force. Vayu means wind. Vayu means wind. Vrushti, rain. Swabalena, in on strength or on force. Kutrapi, anywhere. Vahiyati means blowing rain. But wind is able to blow rain anywhere with its own force. Vrushti rupam bhavatamah vayu bhrutva. If you become rain, I will become wine. I will become wine. And in this way, I will blow you here and there when you are in the form of rain. Bhujah, yadi bhavana vatattvena vatyase tahi aham vayubhaksam bhujagah bhavishyami. Bhujagah sana satatam vayurupam bhavatam bhakshi asmi. Bhuj says, if you are wine, I will become a snake. Vayubhaksam bhujagah. Bhujagah means snake. If you are wine, I will become a snake, eating wine. Being a snake, bhujagah, being a snake, I will eat you where are in the form of wine constantly. Yuvakah, भवान् यदि सर्पः भविष्यति तर्हि अहं सर्पभक्षो गरुडो भवामि. A young man said, if you became the snake, Sarpa, also Sarpa is snake, you became the snake, I will become the eagle eating snake. Garudo, eagle. I will become the eagle eating snake. Sarpa bhaksho, eating snake. Bhojah, वाक्यनि वरेड त्वं यदि गरुडः असि तर्हि अहं चक्रधारकः विष्णु. विष्णु गरुड भवति. Bose said, taking the play of word ahead, playing with words, वाक्यनि वरेड means playing with word. If you are the eagle, त्वं यदि, if you are the eagle, then I am Vishnu, Chakradharaka. Vishnu is the god. Then I am Vishnu holding Sudarshan Chakra, Chakradharaka. Sudarshan Chakra होता है इसके में, Sudarshan Chakra. Vishnu rides on the eagle and Vishnu Garudadharuta. Vishnu rides on the eagle. युवकः मनसा विष्णु प्रणम्य च पांडित्यं पदशत अग्रे वदति. Bowing down to Vishnu mentally and displaying scholarship continue. A young man says, bowing down, pranamaya means bowing down to Vishnu and displaying scholarship continue. Present agre vadati means continue. यदि भवान् चक्रधरक विष्णु तर्हि अहं भवतः मस्तकस्य उपरि शोभना मुकुटम अस्मि. If you are Vishnu holding chakra, I am the crown that looks beautiful on your head. Shobhana mukutakam means crown. Shobhana, beautiful. I am the crown that looks beautiful on your head. Mukutam sada mastakasya upri evam satisthate. The crown always stay. Study evam stay upri, upper part on the head. The crown always stay on the